Before you begin, remove the hand strap and the back plate. Removal. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the M.2 solid-state drive to the midframe and allow it to rise to the spring tension position. Grasp the M.2 solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the M.2 solid-state drive with the key in the M.2 solid-state drive slot on the system board. Keep the M.2 solid-state drive at a 30-degree angle and gently insert it into the slot on the system board. While holding down the M.2 solid-state drive, replace the P1 Phillips head screw to secure the M.2 solid-state drive to the midframe.